Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to redeem codes in Bleach Soul Resonance game. First of all, launch open the Bleach Soul Resonance game on your device and wait for it to fully load to the main screen. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the battle option at the bottom right corner, and from here click on cleared. Now on the next page, you'll see the expanded menu where you have several different options on the left. Tap on Treasure Redeem. Now, you'll see the Enter Redemption Code tab where you can enter your redemption code correctly. Make sure you type in your redemption code correctly and quickly, and once you do, I'm just gonna type in some random things over here. Tap on the Redeem button at the bottom right to redeem your code. Make sure the code hasn't expired. Some codes can be used only once. Always use official game sources for codes and keep your internet connection stable while redeeming. So that's how you successfully redeem codes through the Bleach Soul Resonance game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.